Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is October the 21st, 2021. This is going to be our Solana price prediction. We want to see if the market is about to crash in Solana, because if so, when you want somebody to give you a heads up that the price is about to go down, well, check it. We are that organization. We are that channel. We are the ones who's going to give you a heads up as to where price is going to go without you being confused. So make sure you keep it locked in here, because no one else is going to give you a heads up and advance warning as to where price is going to go the simple way. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification just to ensure that you are notified of whenever the market is going to move and where it's going to go, so that we can win and beat everyone else who is participating in this cryptocurrency market. So now I wanted to first talk to you all about my last price prediction that I did in the market in Solana. Check it right here. October the 5th was the last time we did our video in Solana. We told you all to be prepared for the market in Solana to do what? You guys can already see it from our chart, to go up. Now, initially, the market really didn't go up. It kind of traded sideways for a couple of days, and now we're finally see that lift in price. So now you guys can see that we are tracking right up there towards all-time highs. You want to know, are we going to get a crash once that price hits that all-time high area in Solana? Because we want to make sure we jump off the ship right before the ship sinks. We want to make sure we grab the bag before the market goes down, right? So now let's see if this prediction that I did on October the 5th, if it's still applicable, because if so, we need to let the market continue to ride and continue to accumulate all of that profit, right? So first things first, it's not a coincidence to see the price in Solana bounce off where we said it was going to do. The market in Solana came all the way down to our ultimate area of support, right? $138, $139. And since that day, the market has gone up. This is how you're able to time the market. This is how you're able to see what the market is going to do. So from that day, October the 12th, Solana has been a buy. The market has been going up. So if you would have bought the market in Solana on October the 12th, you are definitely seeing some fantastic gains into the market. Now, we did our prediction on October the 5th, but we're still in profit mode right now. I mean, if you were to take out the profits right now in Solana, guess what? We're up 13% already. So from our prediction on October the 5th to October the 21st, today, we're up 13%. It's just that easy, just that simple. Now, first things first, you guys can tell that the market price in Solana is still in an upward trend. That is fantastic. That is the first thing we need to ensure for us to see whether or not the market is going to crash or whether or not Solana is going to continue to go up. So by the market price continuing to trade above this ascending line lets us know how strong the market really is. So all in all, we don't see a crash occurring anytime soon into the market in Solana. The market has already confirmed how strong it wants to be. And right now it is pretty bullish. Right now it's pretty strong. So from a daily perspective, we're not seeing that a crash is imminent. We don't see that a crash is on the horizon right now in Solana. Now, as we approach this all-time high area around 200, maybe even 220, then we might need to come back in and talk. We might need to come back in and see, okay, maybe it might be a little bit more prevalent that we may see a move to the downside in price in Solana. Let's take a look at the market in Solana on a different time frame. This is Solana right here on the 3-day time frame, and this is massively bullish again. This 3-day price bar, even though we still got 13 hours left, is still looking pretty bullish. It's still looking pretty strong in the sense that we can still expect the price in Solana to go up. I mean, even from this 3-day time frame, I might be suspecting that Solana is going to try to tap that all-time high price, right? In the next 3 days, maybe even in the next 5 days, Solana is anticipated to try to hit all-time highs. The market looks real decent in Solana. It seems like it's trying to trade right in line with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Like, Solana is trying to be a major competitor or a contender for those two altcoins or cryptocurrencies. Solana is trying to be a big dog. Solana is trying to be the big boy in the playground. He's trying to make sure to show everyone that he's not playing, that he's trying to be one of the top 3 cryptocurrencies in the space. Look at it. The market is massively strong in Solana, and it is still garnering a lot of attention. So why would you want to come in and try to buck the trend? I mean, if the market tells us it wants to go up, who are we to say that it shouldn't? If the market wants to go down, who are we to say that it shouldn't? We just simply trying to get in position so that we can capitalize on this money, right? This is what we do. So far, as I transition over to these different time frames, this market in Solana is still showing it wants to go up. So I really don't see a crash. I really don't see that the market really wants to continue to trade sideways, because we already went through that process of us seeing the market trade sideways here, right? We already did that. So that's out the way. We're currently seeing the trajectory of Solana going up. So let's continue to follow the market. I mean, it's not that hard. It's not that difficult to see what everyone else is thinking. You don't need to have 15,000 technical indicators on your chart just to see where price is going to go. We just need to try to get a feel as to what everyone else thinks. And you get that by looking at the price bars and the volume. Everyone else shows you their ideas whenever they come in and put on a position. And you just need to collectively put all that together. And then you'll be able to figure out, okay, this is what the majority of the people thinks. They think that the price is going to go up. They think that the price is going to go down. And that's how you're able to capitalize and win in the market without being confused. So right now, the expectation is still for Solana to go up. I'm not looking for the market to go through a market crash, because if so, that might even be a bigger opportunity for us to come through and bag up more profits, right? So let me give you the play again. This is my expectations still. So I'm looking for the market in Solana, right, to kind of continue to go up in price. See what happens in $200. We might try to come back down, but then we still got this placeholder, right? This ascending line still needs to make sure that the price bounce off of that area, and then Solana will try to come back up and make all-time highs, maybe like towards the end of October, right? It might be sooner than that. It might be a very small movement to the downside. See the market in Solana come back down, try to grab some support around 175, and then see the market lift off again. It's just that easy, just that simple. Be very careful of anyone who is speaking out of both sides of their mouth, saying that it could go up, it could go down, because you're not in no better position. We already know that the market can go up and go down. But which one is more likely? You need to give someone to give you a premise as to what is the most likely outcome of price direction. Don't tell me that the market can go up. Don't tell me that the market can go down, because I already know that. So right now, we're going to continue to keep our prediction on the chart. I mean, we're not going to move it. We're not going to alter it. We're pretty much on course to allow Solana to go up. So now let me give you this TP area, okay? Because I want us all to be prepared to eat off the market right around $200, $195. Let's take some profits off the table right there. It's about 15.67%. We're really close there now, matter of fact. So maybe this might be the time to take the bag off the table. But looking at this on the 3-day time frame, I'm looking for the market to go up just a little bit higher, okay? Just a little bit higher. So let's go ahead and run that. Let me see this on the hourly time frame. I'll let you all go, because I want to see where the high into the market in Solana came. So maybe around 202, 203 will be another area for us to bag the profits. All right, so that's it. I'm not changing it. I don't see a market crash coming into the market in Solana right now. I still see that we got some slight movement to the upside to go through. And then as we approach those all-time highs, then maybe we need to talk again. All right, we might need to come through and take another look at the market. So now, tell me, what do you all think though? What is your price prediction? Do you think a market crash is coming in general? Or do you think that these markets have continued legs to continue to move up in price? Like, drop me the comment right now and tell me your thoughts. Give me your price prediction, because this is what I'm seeing. You might see something totally different, which is cool. It's all right. We could be different mind states of what the market is going through. Ain't nothing wrong with that. But just let me know. Let everyone know on our team, what do you all see the price going in Solana? And that's it. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.